Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. This part is in continuation of the previous part, so go ahead, watch it first and then come back to this video again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. In this practical, we'll see how to inflate the toolbar and tab layout, and how to use PagerAdapter to manage screen views. First, we'll inflate the toolbar and tab layout. Since you are using tabs that fit underneath the app bar, you have set up the app bar and toolbar in the activity main.xml layout in the first step of this task. Now you need to inflate the toolbar using the same method described in a previous video about the options menu, and create an instance of tab layout to position the tabs. Inflate the toolbar in the onCreate method in mainActivity.java. In the code, toolbar is in red and a red light bulb icon should appear. Click the icon and choose Import Class. Import choices appear. Select Toolbar Android.support.v7.widget toolbar and you should see this import statement in your code. Open strings.xml and create the following string resources. At the end of the onCreate method, create an instance of the tab layout from the tab layout element in the layout and set the text for each tab using add tab. Now we'll use PagerAdapter to manage screen views. Add the following code to use PagerAdapter to manage screen views in the fragments. At the end of the onCreate method, set a listener tab layout on page change listener to detect if a tab is clicked, and create the onTabSelected method to set the view pager to the appropriate tabbed screen. Run the app. Tap each tab to see each page screen. You should also be able to swipe left and right to visit the different pages. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video series. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. The entire project can be found at this URL. Keep watching BackToCoding and don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.